Hi crochet family, welcome back to our channel. And on today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of vlog. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to just make a bootie, just a very simple bootie to match up with this dress that you're seeing on the screen right now. So I'm just showing you the process um while making the dress, and this was when I was adding the pearl beads to the dress. Yeah, if you want a tutorial on this, please be sure to put them in the comment section and I'll be sure to give you a video. So for today's business, which is the booty we are making, so this is how we want to make it. Yeah, it's a combination of crochet, single crochet and slip stitch, but they are both ribbed stitches. Yeah, we're going to be making them ribbed. So to start, just tie your knot as usual, insert your crochet hook, and then finish up with your slip knot, then start chaining. Yeah, for this particular booty I made use of um 40 chains. Yeah, so we're going to be making use of 20 for a single crochet, and 20 the remaining 20 for a slip stitch. Yeah, so if you're making for like a newborn baby, then you don't need to do as much as this, and the length to be smaller than what I'm going to be making. So you can make use of your booty measurement chart. Yeah, I'll probably be leaving a link to one in my description box so that you can know what to do. So this is my 40 chains here. So you had one more for your turning chain. So, and look closely to the camera. We are not going to be picking, if you're familiar with my videos, you know that for our foundational chains we don't pick the two loops in the front, we pick the third loop at the back. This one I'm touching, this one I'm showing you. So that's what we do. Yeah, and it has some kind of effect it gives your work. So this is going to be slow, yes, but take your time to do it because it's worth it. It is actually what, so you see the kind of effect it's going to give it. It's not going to be leaving like one loop at the end and then giving us some adults. It depends on, but this is just the method I prefer using. Okay, so this is a crochet. I want to believe that we all know how to do a single crochet. So this is, you just make your single crochet. So you're going to make 20 stitches, and on the 20th stitch you make, just make sure that you have your measurement, your stitch marker ready, and then insert it into the 20th stitch and then continue. So now we are going to be doing slip stitch. So, and you insert it, then just insert it and over, pull through, just insert into the yarn over, you pull through, insert into the yarn over and pull through. Yeah, so this is just the process we are going to be following for our slip stitch. And here we are at our last slip stitch. So, and at the last one we are going to make use of a stitch marker as well. So chain one, turn to the other side, then the last one you're going to be picking as the first one. You're just picking the back loop alone, and after you are done doing your slip stitch in that first one, please make sure you insert a stitch marker there, because there's going to be confusion between the chain one we did for our turning chain and the slip stitch. They're both about the same thing. So to give it a finished effect, that's why we are chaining one. So this is how it's going to look at the end of the day. Yeah, so keep going back, but this is going to be going into our back loop as so, and then going to the back loop, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. So, and you keep doing this till you get to where your stitch marker is. You know that where your stitch marker is either where you're going to be ending your single crochet or starting a new single crochet. So now we already started off a new single crochet for this row. On that, then we'll replace it on the one we just did, that first single crochet we just did, so we don't lose track of it. So then we keep on putting a single crochet as well in the back loop only, So we are going to be alternating these two stitches, the single crochet and our slip stitch. We're going to be alternating them on the same row, so you already know where you're going to have you make your single crochet on single crochets just in the back loop, and slip stitch as well, you make them on the slip stitch side too in the back loops. So you can make this according to your measurement chart and the breadth that you have there. So you are going to make this, the what can cover the totality of the leg, like the perimeter of the leg. Yes, let me put it that way. So that's what the breadth of the length is, how high the booty is going to be, if you need to fold it and all that. Yes, so now we are at the end of our single crochet. So here we are just going to, instead of picking a back loop, we are going to be picking the two loops together, then kind of pull through, and then you're done with your second row. So you want to do as I've explained, according to your measurement chart, the perimeter of the leg of the baby they are going of the baby you are making it for. Okay, so there is need for us to leave enough yarn so you can be able to hide them instead of burning them and then they end up hurting the baby, because once you burn your yarn, it gives you one kind of a little bit sharp edge, and babies have mild skin, so you don't want to hurt the baby. Okay, so yeah, this is me. I was too tired to just use a darning needle, yeah, honestly. So let's just make use of what we have. Yeah, you cut with the scissors. Okay, so on the other side, we're going to be leaving enough yarn to be able to sew our bootie, because we're going to be joining this together and we're going to do it together right now. And I want to apologize for the background noises. Okay, so first we want to put our yarn in our darning needle and then go to the edge of your work. Yeah, so we're going to be joining them together. Okay, so where we are joining together will actually be the inner part. Yeah, that's where it's going to be inside. Yes, so we have a finished look anyways. Okay, so this is, you can try to hide whatever ends you still have at this moment, and I'm sorry for going off camera. I'm really sorry. Yes. Okay, so Okay, so you just want to make sure that both sides are equal, like you're doing it equally, like one for one. You're not skipping any stitches there, so that you don't have remnant when you're done. Yes, on one part. So because we have the same stitches on each side, so, and as you can see, this is, you're picking the 2 loops on each side. Can you see? Yeah, this is a closer look. So yeah, the yarn I was trying to hide, that's why I'm just cutting it off, and then we just continue. Yes, just continue. So you're picking the 2 loops on each side. Yes, the 2 loops, not one, please. Okay, so I'll show you. Can you see how it looks? I don't know if you can see it. Can you see how it looks? Okay, so you just want to go all this way down. Yeah, so your single crochet stitches, the same thing, you're doing the same thing for them. Okay, now see, look at what we have. See how neat this is. Okay, so now we have to join the down part, the sole of the feet. Yeah, this is where the sole of the feet is going to be. Okay, so now we want to just join them together, make sure they are equal, and just join them together. Yeah, this one does not have loop, so you just have to keep, it doesn't have like the regular loop we have on the other side, so just keep picking up loops, but make sure it is equal, and then you can try to hide your yarn, please. Yes, take your time to do this, take your time, and then cut off your excess yarn. Okay, so yeah, this is what we have. So you want to turn it to the other side, like I said, because this is this is a wrong side that we sew on. So yeah, you want to turn it to the other side as so. This is what you're going to be having. Okay, yeah, so once the baby puts the feet puts their feet in, it's going to take the form of their feet, so don't be bothered about it not taking shape. It's a baby that you're making it for. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, please leave a comment below, and thank you all for joining us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crochet enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crochet adventures. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next episode. So until next time, bye.